Okay, we are back. Where were we? Right. So we have to do one last step. Is that the answer of the answer is the answer of the overall magic? So let's call it magic one and magic two, and then I call it the big magic. Right. This one I'm using a camel case. The camel case is you see the variable, right? You see the words are like string together, and then the first letter of every word are capitalized except for the first one. So I mean the big magic, the B is not capitalized, and only the M. So if I have something big magic that come from nowhere, so you can see that the first letter of every word, sorry, first letter of every word is capitalized. Yeah. So this is the camel case. It's a convention in naming of the variable. So I have big magic equal to magic 1 times magic 2 times k, and then the answer is get magic number of the big magic and the skip. Right. So this should solve it. Right. GCC magic of C, magic, link math, and then execute the magic. And so 9, 3, 4, 3, answers 4. Wow. How does that happen? Let's read the question again. I think I'm missing some key point over here. Oh, where is that? All right. And the magic is 3, 2, which is 2. To skip. So 11, 13, 11, 13, 3. Actually, we have 4 to 9 just now when we do the calculation. But magic 1, magic 2, get magic number. Skip. Oh, let's check it again. So check the big magic brunette. Just wanna do a quick check on the brunette. So the big magic is big magic, and I'm just gonna save it to compile it. Math, because I'm using the math library. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 8. Okay, maybe just on the input is a bit. Oh yeah, I think just now I input 4, 5, 6 instead of 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, I think we have the correct answer. So we don't need this. Don't need this. So middle steps to string together. Final answer should be on a separate line. We don't need this. Let's power it again. And try run for the second test case, which is this one. Skip answer should be 2, right? So I think we have solved the problem. Alright, now that you're done and you're sure that you're correct, let's check back to your code, because this one is a style component. So alright, so this one is redundant. You don't want to keep that. Right. This one helpful because it's say meter steps of calculating, but you can abstract the whole process into using a solve function, but I don't think it's the point over here. Right, this one command have, right, command good, right, anything else? No. Right, so one more thing is that over here, as you can see, we can we can put some command over here if you like. So for example, this one, The negative one here is considered as a magic number because they don't know what to do. So maybe we want to put a command. So for example, um, negative one is when we are trying to skip over the number. So maybe you want to put this over here. Right. Negative one is when trying to skip over a number. So this one explains why the negative one is here. You can do it. You can abstract it here. So for example, if I want to, I see the magic number, just define. Let's call it over jump. Right. Let's call it over jump and define it to be negative one. So over here, you can do this, return over jump, and this one is not equal to over jump. All right. So over here, what I do is that I abstract it into a constant, not a constant, but define. So what the define preprocessor command statement over here does is that before it's actually run your code, right? When it's compiling your code, it all it look for these words over jump, and then it replace it with negative one. So that way, I just remove a magic number. So this is one of the style point that you can gain after you remove that magic number. You get over jump, which is this, right? So you have that. All right, that's it. If you want to do one more time, just do gg equal g. So what I do is gg equal g. This one will auto indent everything. So gg equal g, everything indented. Good. So now that we have it, program with commands is for grouping of statements over here. This one is that I get the two positive number. This one I get a skip. You may not need to put a command that say enter skip or getting skip input or anything. You can just read from the string inside here. Intermediate steps not very helpful, but it's explain the logical step now what I'm trying to do here. And then over here, I try not to complicate the logic of the main function by abstract the idea of getting magic number into separate function. And inside the get magic number, I can do the same. I don't want to overcomplicate the logic by doing the division or modulus of 10 to get the last digit, division of number to get a jumping. So I abstract these two into two different functions. So you can see the moment you see that just now, right? When I wrote this function, I tested it and I'm sure it's correct. Then from then on, I don't even need to check it again. So I just use it as in like it's an assumption that I already passed. But I don't have to worry that my logic is correct over here at this point or not, because I'm sure that the get digits is correct. So if something wrong with the get magic number, let's say, then I know that something is different, is wrong, and it's not at this step. So that's one of the way to get it. Oh my god, I forgot to switch the screen again. Right. Oh my god. Right. So let's backtrack everything. Right. Say over here I have this negative one. Yeah, just now I'm rambling on and I just don't show you the screen. So this negative one and this negative one is like kind of a magic number. So you want to put them as a number, as some you want to extract the magic number into some word. For example, over jump and negative one. And then you just go ahead and replace the negative one to the over jump. So what it does is that when it's compile your code, it just run through and replace every occurrence of this word with negative one, and basically that's your logic. So yeah, Yeah, I think I explained it. So now I explain these steps over here. I don't want to complicate the magic of the logic of the main function, so I put them into two separate functions, and inside the get magic number function, I put inside, break it into two different functions as get digit and jump key digit. So I guess that's it for today. Hope you learned something out of it. I'm sorry for a lot of technical issues because it's the first time, so I'm not sure how these things run. And I'll try to find a way that you guys can ask questions during the session. That's it for now.